Are you going to read the book?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead and read.
He didn't look for his mom. Now he's not home. And now he's not with his daddy. But he's not with his old mother. Now he's not home yet because he was looking for his mother. Now he's not home now.
Yeah? Whoa, you want to read another page?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. What about this one? Read this one.
I already did that one.
Read it again for me.
Of his own mother didn't come, and she didn't hurt you. Now she didn't give him a kiss and a hug. Now she's not home yet. Now she's not with her mommy and she's mommy bird and not and his mommy bird.
Mm-hmm. What about a piece of candy? What about it? Read it.
She didn't got a piece of candy and gum. Now she's not. What her baby now? Now she's not in her nest.
Why didn't she get a piece of candy?
Because she was sad and she didn't told her mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, her mother.
Did she speak Spanish? Yeah? Okay.
But she didn't got a candy. Now this is a candy.
Baba,
Oh.
Baba, Baba.
Okay. Good job, Kenzie.